I think we naturally tend to make friends with the designers more, with the marketeers more so than with the engineers. And I think it's really a pity, because I think it could be something that could be helpful for us. And I have to say that reflecting on my career so far, I think the one relationship that was super crucial was the one that I had with my engineering lead specifically. And so today I want to zero in on why it's important to build that relationship. I was wondering how to explain this unique contribution that this role has. And I think the best way is if we just imagine for a second that we didn't have that person on our team. What I see is I'll be struggling more with grasping the technical concepts. I think I'll be missing some of the support in dealing with the team. I will be missing that specific perspective. But most of all, I'll be losing a partner that shares the burden together with me to deliver an outstanding product.